In this video, we will learn how to use advanced search in Google Drive. This is my Google Drive. I want to search one file. Those file is so old and I have so many files in my Google Drive. So I use the advanced search to search this file. Here you can see the search box. Just click on that and here you get the advanced search option. Just click on it. Here the one dialog box is opened. Here you have to fill the information your file related. It means the types of file is Excel. You can choose the spreadsheet Excel. Okay, the owner also here mention anyone, and if you know the specific person, those who share you this file, okay, you can enter this email ID also here. Okay, I just select the anyone has the word any, just I enter the any salary related Excel file. So salary I just mentioned, item name and image of the part of this file name. Item name is also mention any word employees. Okay, and location anywhere you can select the particular. If you remember anything, you can select the particular location. I just select the anywhere. You can also tick this all in trash start encrypt, where is if this file is found in this data, you get it this file. And also you use the date of modify. If you use this file last 30 days, you can select this. Otherwise you can enter the custom date and times also. I just enter the last 90 days I used it. I modified it and click on this search. The file will be search. Okay, now I'm just search, but in these types is the file not available in my Google Drive, therefore is not search. Okay, you can try it your Google Drive to search in the any your file. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.